ordered a set of martini earrings, and the customer does not want screwbacks, so we're gonna have to change these screwback posts to regular posts. We're gonna snip them off. Okay, and we're going to solder on these posts, regular friction posts. So I'm gonna snip them off like that. There we go. Take my, clean them up a little bit. I'm gonna clean this part nice and flat. Clean this part nice and flat. And the posts too. I want them flat also. Let me get these out of the way. Okay. All right, now I would like to make a better seat for those posts. And so the post gets a better solder, better seat. Just sits in there better. Like that. And like that. Okay, we're going to take our alcohol and boric acid and one and two. These guys also. Do one at a time. I lost it anyway. All right, we'll fish it out. Okay, let's get ready for soldering. All right. So like that, and we're going to put a little bit of flux. Too much alcohol in there. A little bit of flux on our joints, soldering joints. Put a little bit on the ends there. And here we go. I like to use these locking tweezers, like so. I'm going to pick up my post. Put this in a place where I can see it. I like to use medium solder for this. There's one ball. There, so it picks up that little bit of solder right there like that. We're gonna put it, you know what, let's put them up here. I can see better and get to it better. Nice and straight. I'm just gonna rest it right on there. Make sure that it's straight. Nice. Take the other one. I like to put this prong, it's a 3-prong martini setting, so I like to put this prong straight towards me so I can see what is straight. And I'm going to take another piece of solder like that and just pick it up a little bit. I don't want to let it run up there. I just want to pick up that ball so it's still sitting on the end. I'm going to rest it right in that little area where I made a seat for it. I'm not happy where it's at. Try it again. There. That's better. Very nice. That's it. So I'm soldered them together. I'm going to put them in a pickle to clean them. Then I've got my handy little vise and my heart-shaped burrs, and I'm going to set 2 carats each in this set. Okay, thank you.